Alright, so we got an OAC call. And get down here. Flashing a 13, which I think 13 is a limit code. Limit lockout. 13 limit lockout. So when you get a 13, and I don't know why you'd have a limit lockout. Filter's clean. Let's see what we got going on. But when you get a limit lockout, 24 volts, I think the 24 volts on that terminal strip goes dead. Oh, we'll get you in a tripod here and see what we find. I don't know why you would be on a limit lockout. The air conditioning season. Let's see. So RNC, no voltage. Let's see if I got any voltage on a limit. Nothing. Nothing. Roll out limit. Nope. Huh. Huh. Very strange. Why would it be on the limit lockout? The filter looks clean, but that can be deceiving. It's not terrible. See light through it. Let's start it back up. Different code. 1, 2. Now it's throwing a blown fuse code. Yeah, that fuse is blown. What I did find is out at the condenser at a mouse house. So we got that cleared up. Let's see if she pops. Let's see if she pops. Oh yeah, she popped. Oh man. Ooh. Mouse house. Scared the crap out of me. That scared the crap out of me. Stupid fuse. Let's see. Here's the condenser wire. And oh, listen to that. I think I got it disconnected outside, so well, maybe no, I connected it. I connected it. So the contactor's reading 14 ohms. I'm going to add 2 ground on a leg. No. Thermostat wire's disconnected. Oh, let's see if she pops again. Will she pop? No poppy do. Let me see. Because I should have. Let's see if I got continuity to ground somewhere. Fan. Cooling. Nope, so I should have continuity between R and G. Yep, that's right. Well, I also have interruptible service. Interruptible service on this, which the utility can shut you off at any time, your condenser. 15 minutes on the hour every hour. Got our thermostat wire hooked back up, and we don't, it's not short now. This was reading 14 ohms, but I'm going to go out to the condenser and disconnect it. See how suck if I got to run a whole wire. Interruptible service. So that power company can break your connection to your condenser. Can you see what's going on? So we're going to bypass that right now. I got power on. Okay, so let me remove the high voltage power. So I'm going to wire that I tested downstairs had 14 ohms. Let's see if I have any continuity between my condenser wire here. I shouldn't have any. I don't. So I disconnect the interruptible, that's my switch leg for the interruptible. Technically, that coil should read 14 ohms. And it does. It does. That's my interruptible relay. Switch is closed. Let's see, do I have anything to ground? Nothing to ground on that leg. Nothing to ground on that leg. Do I have it across it? Which I already checked, and I don't think I do. Nope. Let me check across this. Something crossed here. Contactor shot. No. So I'm going to bypass my interruptible service and we'll see what happens. Can't remember the ohm rating on contactors. I think it's supposed to be 18. I don't know if 14 is too low. Let me go put the wires on downstairs and see what happens. Okay, done connected the wire and didn't blow the fuse, and now it pulls contactor. So there's something wrong with my interruptible service up there. Back a few years back, they went from the old style, which was like a mechanical relay in a box, to a printed circuit board, I think. And ever since they did that, we've had problems. Can't track down shorts. We got some air conditioning. So the problem is in that box up there. Oh man, she's ice can, beer can cold. Let me get it back together. Alright, oh, there's it. Bright for some reason. That house, a few years back, pulled out the filter and found some bobbers. It's like someone was fishing for a filter. This time it didn't though. This time it was that DTE interruptible that was that was giving us a issue. The old ones, the old DTE interruptibles that we had, were basically, I don't know, a power supply, little control board, and a relay. Didn't really have too many problems with them. And they would short out every once in a while, but not a big deal. But you could find the short on it. These new electronic controlled ones, not so service friendly. It'll throw you for a loop, but it kind of threw me for a loop because I'm trying to track down a short and I can't find it. 2-wire wasn't shorted, thermostat wire wasn't shorted. It didn't seem shorted up to the control box. The interruptible control box didn't seem shorted. Had power to the box, had a separate transformer, but no shorts anywhere. But as soon as I hooked that interruptible up, no go. Just shorted everything out. So that was kind of an interesting one. Kinda. I've ran into it before, so I'm kind of, know what to look for. It'll throw you for a loop every once in a while. But yeah, we got through it. Customer's happy. They got air conditioning. I had to bypass the interruptible for the time being until they can come out and do what they have to do and rewire it. But yeah, I totally forgot about that until I got in the crawl space about the bobbers. I think there was like 2. I don't know. I made a video and I don't know what I was doing at the time. For some reason I was doing something down there. I don't know if it's just maintenance or maybe I just did a post on it. But yeah, I was there a few years back, pulled the filter out, and that's what we find in there. Strange. So you guys know what you gotta do. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.